Hi, I'm Steve Johnson. I'm running a 4-day printing workshop in early June, and I really want to encourage you to consider taking the class. Printing can be a wonderful act of creating beauty. It can also feel like a sacred experience. Printing is making real and tangible the film or file and turning it into an actual physical object that you can hold, you can exhibit, you can sell, you can display in your own home. In fact, that print may well be the longest lived version of your work, especially with today's modern pigment inks. Come join me, if you can, for a 4-day journey into mastering the fine art digital print. I'd like to try and make a difference for your printing.